In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check readability statistics in Microsoft Word. This feature is incredibly useful when you want to make sure that your writing is not only grammatically correct, but also clear and easy for readers to understand. Whether you're preparing an article, drafting a report, or working on an academic document, readability statistics can help you evaluate how accessible your text is for your audience. By using this built-in tool, you can gain helpful insights that guide you in improving clarity and overall communication. To begin, open Microsoft Word and make sure the document you want to analyze is already open on your screen. This process will not modify or delete any part of your document, so you can proceed without worrying about losing your work. Once your document is ready, move your attention to the top left corner of the Word interface and click on the File tab. This will bring you to the Backstage view, where you can manage different settings and options related to your document and the Word application itself. From this menu, look toward the lower portion of the screen and select Options. Clicking this will open the Word Options window, which contains a wide range of customizable settings. While the number of choices may look a bit overwhelming at first glance, we'll only focus on one specific area that controls grammar and spelling tools. Inside the Word Options window, locate the navigation menu along the left side and select Proofing. This section contains settings that control how Microsoft Word checks your writing for spelling and grammar issues. After selecting Proofing, scroll down through the settings until you find the section titled When Correcting Spelling and Grammar in Word. Here, you'll see several checkboxes that allow you to enable or disable different proofreading features. Within this list, find the option labeled Show Readability Statistics. Make sure the checkbox beside it is selected. Enabling this option tells Microsoft Word to display a readability report whenever you complete a spelling and grammar check. The report includes several helpful measurements, including the Flesch Reading Ease score, which estimates how easy your content is to read. Generally, higher scores indicate simpler text, while lower scores suggest that the writing may be more complex or difficult for readers. After enabling the option, click OK at the bottom of the Word Options window to save the change and return to your document. To view the readability statistics, go to the Review tab located at the top of the screen and select Spelling and Grammar. Once the proofreading process finishes, a new window will appear displaying the readability statistics for your document. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.